my screen. Okay, so all right. So before we start, or before we proceed to week 3, so let's go over with your week 2 first. So anyone who encountered a problem so far in week 2, or who has a concern regarding with the week 2? Anyone with the quizzes maybe, or with the activities, or is there any uh, unclear instructions regarding with the those activities? None? So again, just a reminder, the due date of this one is November 1, though November 1 is holiday, but yeah, so this due date will not be changed. Okay, so you guys have to finish those activities before November 1. Okay, and then we have the entire day to finish those activities. Okay, so if you guys don't have any question regarding with week 2, then I guess that's it for week 2. And then week 3 is the continuation of your week 2. So this one is still a process management. So we also have 2 modules, which is process synchronization and then deadlock handling. So in week 2, you learn on how a processor process each applications or activities. Okay, so we have a lot of algorithms about that. And in week 3, so you will learn here on how to handle deadlocks, okay, or how to handle some processes synchronization. Okay, so in here there is no problem solving. Okay, but this one is more on codes. Okay, like more on pseudo coding to be exact. So you're not going to code it like an application, but you're just going to learn on how they work, like for example if else. Okay, and what are the other algorithms, like case statements, something like those. Okay, so there's only 2. Okay, there's only 2 activities for this one. So you will already see right here that this one, okay, the quiz on deadlock handling. Oops, my bad. Let me change this one. Synchronization. Synchronization. Synchronization is divided into 3 parts, namely concept identification, problem solving, and then synchronization pseudocoding. Okay, so identification. So this one is quite easy since it's already in your module. And then problem solving, and then pseudocoding. Okay, so that's the same with the. Okay, let me change this one. The interchange. This one should be deadlock. Okay, not process synchronization. Okay, so under deadlock, so it's only 2. So there's only 2 parts. So we have the identification and then problem solving. So there is no pseudocoding under this quiz on deadlock handling. Okay. And the due dates of those activities will be on November 8th. So you guys have 10 days. Okay. Well, actually, it's like 11 days since we have October 31. Okay. And at the same time, November 8th will be your midterm exam. Okay. So you guys have plenty of time to finish all of those activities. Okay. Especially under week 3, since we did an advanced meeting for this one, since this coming Monday is holiday. Okay, so that is why you have like additional 3 days or 4 days for this week 3. Then yeah, that's it. We won't meet anymore. So the remaining meeting, one meeting next week Thursday, will be your free time to finish all of the given activities. Okay, and then after this, of course, will be your midterm exam. Okay, so as usual, the coverage of your exam will be all of the modules under week 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so what else? I guess that's it only. And under watch videos, so this one has lesser video compared to week two. Okay, so it's like 5 videos each module. Okay, so this one is for the process synchronization, and then this one is for the deadlock. So one, two, three, four, yeah, one, five, 5 videos, and then 5 videos for the uh, process synchronization. Okay, so are we clear so far? Were you guys able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So again, just just an advice or just a tip. Okay. So you don't need, oops, my bad. So you don't need to watch all of those videos. Okay. So just watch that specific video if you weren't able to understand a specific topic. But if everything is good to you, especially on that given module, like for example, under this process synchronization, you were able to understand slide 1 to slide 25, then you don't need to watch that part anymore. Okay. So if you need some clarifications, maybe or more examples, then that's the time that you need to watch those given videos. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, I did include a lot of practice exercises. So I think this is now the time that you guys really need to practice. Okay, about those activities, since this one is now more on pseudocoding. So that is why I did include a lot of activities in here to enhance your learnings a bit more. So you don't need to check all of them. So just pick maybe 1, 2, or 3. Okay. So if you think that you're already good with that specific topic, then you can move to the other topic. Okay, and then as usual, you have one case study for this one, which will be also due on November 8th. So you guys already know what to do in this case study. Anyway, so yeah, that's it for today. So exactly 13 minutes. So if you guys don't have a question anymore, then yeah, that's it. Meeting adjourned. And as always, thank you guys for coming. I really, really appreciate it. Okay, and keep safe.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Goodbye.
sir. Goodbye. Happy lunch, sir.
Happy lunch too. Goodbye.